I couldn't understand or speak or read English, but today I can speak confidently. Do you want to know how? What changed? So let me tell you everything. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my name is Akanksha. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you two simple things that completely changed my English. Yes. So if you really want to improve your English, then make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, so without any further ado, let's come to the point. So my friend, as a beginner, I also faced lots of problem. Like I couldn't understand English, I couldn't speak English. Even while reading, I wasn't able to understand properly. Then what I did? So yes, I started my journey from scratch. And now you might be thinking, maybe I study in an English medium school, or maybe I learn from somewhere else. But no, nothing like that. I am from an Hindi medium student. You know, yes, I used to study English. I used to get good marks in English, but because I like the subject, but my grammar was not clear, and that's why I couldn't speak English. You know, but today I will tell you each and everything, how I changed myself, like what I changed, how I become fluent, and how I'm speaking like this right now. Everything I will tell you. Okay, so first thing I did, this is very important, like I changed my habit. Yes, you heard me right, I changed my habit. Earlier I didn't have the habit of listening in English, I didn't have the habit of reading in English. I used to do all the things but in Hindi. I used to do all the things but in Hindi. And maybe you are also doing the same thing right now. Am I right? But that's completely okay. That's completely okay. But if you really want to speak this language, then you have to take first step, that is change your habit. Because your habit decide your future. One habit can lead you to a failure, and one habit can make you successful. Listen this line carefully. One habit can lead you to a failure, and one habit can make you successful. Start a small step. You don't need to focus on big things in the beginning. Okay, if I'm talking about myself, when I was a beginner, I didn't watch long videos. I used to watch only 2-minute videos or 3-minute videos, because if I watched 50 minutes or 20 minutes videos, I couldn't understand everything. Even I would feel frustrated. That's why I kept it very simple. I listen only 2-minute videos every day. That's it. But slowly every day I try to increase my time. That's how I build my strong habit. So if you really want to improve your speaking English, if you really want to speak this language, then start with small. Like if you are listening in your mother tongue, then start listening a little bit in English. If you are reading in your mother tongue, then start reading a little bit in English. If you are writing something in your mother tongue, then start write a little bit something in English. That's it. You don't need to do extra thing for that. In the beginning, it was difficult. For me, it was very difficult. Nothing was easy. But step by step, I built my strong confidence. So you can notice you can notice me today. Because of those habits, today I can speak in front of you, in front of the camera. Did it change in one day? You tell me, did it change in one day, or did it change everything suddenly? No, never. It took time. Yes, it took time. And as I said before, once it became habit, everything became automatic, right? So now you know what happened with me. If I don't read a book, then I feel that something is missing, and that's the power of habit. So if you keep doing the small things every day, it will become automatic, and if you will become automatic, then you will enjoying the every process. Okay, so don't wait for the perfect time. Start today, take a small step, and just start speaking. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.